So here I have kept all the necessary ingredients for the cooking. I'm going to make a drumstick milk curry, fish curry and a carrot salad. So all the ingredients are ready. This way it's easy for you to cook. This took me about 30 minutes to arrange all this. So let's see how I'm going to cook. I have taken all the masalas, also whatever I need. There are a few spoons and the scraper is ready, oil is ready, everything is ready. And here I have taken thick and thin coconut milk as well, because we use more coconut milk in our cooking. Come, let's start. First things first, let's marinate the fish. I have washed, cleaned and kept the fish. Now I'm going to marinate the fish. I have taken mackerels here, I have washed them. Here I'm going to add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of fish masala powder, little bit of salt, and then little bit of turmeric. I have already washed it with turmeric, but still add little bit more turmeric, and I'm going to mix this. Let this sit and marinate for a while so that all the masalas get into the fish when you add it into the curry. Now I have massaged the masalas through the fish. Let this sit for a while until we have done the rest. So today I'm going to make the curry simultaneously. I'll show it how. First let's start with the drumstick curry. Here I have taken all the ingredients which will be needed for the drumstick. I have washed them and slit them into two. I'm going to add this in. In goes some pandan leaves, 1 chopped green chili. You can add more or you can avoid it. 1 roughly chopped onions. I have taken some garlic. I'm going to remove this one and I'm going to add this in as well. In goes some garlic. I have used about 4 pods of garlic. Add this in. In goes 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. And here I'm going to use a masala powder, which is the unroasted curry powder. You can see the recipe in my description box. About 1 teaspoon. If you don't have this, you can skip it and add only turmeric powder. I'm adding little bit of turmeric powder as well. Less than 1/4 teaspoon. And here I have taken thin coconut milk. Instead you can use water. It's not necessary you need to use coconut milk. Today since I had coconut, so I made some milk out of it. I'm going to add this in as well. Not much until the drumsticks are soaked. You can mix coconut milk and water as well. Add enough salt and I'm going to cook this covered in slow flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to transfer this to my next stove and we are going to make the fish curry simultaneously. Here for the fish curry, into a mud pot I have added 3 tablespoons of oil. And then I have added some mustard seeds along with 1/2 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and then I added some onions and I'm sauteing it. I'm sorry that I couldn't take a video. My camera went off. If you have curry leaves, you can add also. And also when you are cooking 2 to 3 dishes, make sure all the ingredients are ready, cut and washed properly so that it's easy for you to make the dishes. While the onions are getting sauteed, let's move on to the drumstick curry. You can see the drumsticks are cooking well. Give it a stir and cover it and let it cook for further 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can see the onions are slightly brown. At this point, add in 1 chopped tomato. I have taken 1 big tomato. If you have small, you can use 2 as well. Mix this and let it cook until the tomatoes are smashed well. I'm going to add in little bit of turmeric inside so that the tomatoes get cooked well. I'm going to leave on low fire and cover this and cook it until the tomatoes are smashed well. Let's open it after 2 minutes. Give it a stir and close it. While the fish curry and the drumstick curry is getting done, I'm going to scrape the carrots with the scraper to make the carrot salad. Now let's open the drumstick curry. You can see it's cooked well and the drumsticks are also cooked. At this point, I'm going to add in some thick coconut milk, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, not much. If you are cooking this in water, you can add more coconut milk. Since we cook this in coconut milk itself, we don't have to add more thick coconut milk. Let this cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's get back to the fish curry. You can see the tomatoes have mashed well. Now add in about 2 to 3 teaspoons of curry masala powder. It's up to you how spicy you want, because we have already added some to the fish as well. Mix well and add little bit of water, not much, and allow the masala to cook well. That's when the smell of the masala goes and the fish curry becomes much more tastier. Cover this and cook it for about a minute. While this is cooking, our drumstick curry is ready. Now the drumstick curry is ready. Before switching it off, just take some cumin seeds, half a teaspoon, crushed it in between your palms and add that in. This gives a nice flavor to the curry. Give it a mix and switch off the flame. Now after about 2 minutes, you can see the masala is cooked well and there is no raw smell in the masala. At this time, here I have made a pulp out of tamarind juice. You can use a size of a lime and then make the tamarind pulp. I'm going to add this in as well. I'm going to add enough salt for this. I'm adding about half a cup of water and I'm going to let this boil until the curry is thickened enough. Meanwhile, here I have grated the carrots and now let's see how to make the carrot salad. Here I have scraped the carrots, onions are ready, a little bit of tomato sliced and 1 green chili slice. You can add more or less, or even you can avoid adding green chili and add little bit of pepper powder. Now into this I'm going to mix everything, but before that I'm going to add in some salt and then I'm going to add in some coconut milk, thick coconut milk. If you want, you can add coconut, shredded coconut as well. That is also nice, that also gives a nice taste. Today, since I am having coconut milk, I am adding coconut milk. As I am going to have it immediately, it's okay if we add the coconut milk. Now, let's mix this well. I have mixed everything well. Finally, I am going to squeeze in some lime juice. I have taken 1 lime. Mix this again. For a better taste, you can leave it in the fridge until you serve it for lunch. But if you are taking it for a lunch packet to your office or school, I would not recommend you to add any coconut shredded or even the coconut milk. Maybe you can take it separately and mix it when you eat, or just skip the coconut part and add all the other ingredients, and it will be equally good. Now our carrot salad is also ready. Now after about 3 to 4 minutes, let's open it. You can see it started boiling. At this point, we have got this mixture of garlic and cumin seeds crushed. I'm going to add this in as well so that the smell of the garlic gets into the gravy, and I'm going to let it to boil. Now after about 5 minutes, let's open it. You can see it's boiling well. At this point, I'm going to add in the fish in. I'm using mackerel here. You can use any fish of your choice. Let's close this and allow it to cook for a while. Meanwhile, the fish is getting cooked. Now I'm going to keep it in the low flame, and I'm going to clean all the vessels so that once the lunch is over, once the cooking is over, at the same time the cleaning also will be finished. Now after about 5 minutes, let's open it. You can see the fish curry is ready. You can see the fish curry is ready now. At this point, I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of thick coconut milk. It's optional. If you don't want, you can just skip it. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons, and I'm going to leave it open and cook this for about another 2 to 3 minutes, and then our fish curry is ready. At the same time, now I'm going to fry some papadum and red chilies for the lunch. Here in the skillet, the oil is hot, and here I have soaked some dried red chilies in salt and water. I'm going to fry this with along with the papadums. I have cut the papadums into small pieces and make sure the oil is nice and hot. Now I am going to drop this in. No need to leave it too long time, just a second will do. Take it out. Finally, I'm going to add in the red chilies. Be careful, it will splatter. Once the color changes, you can take it out. And here our fish curry is also ready. Let's switch it off. Once the lunch is ready, my cleaning and draining is also done. I have washed all the vessels. My sink is clean, and let's see the cooking. The fish curry is ready. Drumstick milk curry. Carrot salad, and also to go with it, papadums and also some dried red chilies fried. So it's a simple lunch but a healthy homemade one. Make this and arrange your time accordingly so that you don't have to waste time in the kitchen for too long. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me meet you with another interesting one. Thank you.